Hi all! So as an English learner, I know how hard it is to conquer that kind of fear to speak English in front of everyone or to get that kind of confidence to speak so fluently in front of everyone. I know that. But I believe with right mindset and with few effective strategies, we can conquer that fear, guys. So in today's video, I will be sharing most 3 effective strategies that you can use in your daily life to conquer that fear. So after the hype of our promo video and all, this is the first time I'm meeting you guys virtually face to face. So to be honest, I'm having first time jitters, but no problem, I will keep up the pace, guys. Okay, so let's get into the topic that we're gonna discuss today. So the first strategy I would like to share with you is practice positive self-talk. Having a positive attitude while learning something is very important. Why guys? Because when we have negative thoughts in our head, like I cannot do this, I'm gonna quit, or learning English is not for me, this is so hard. That kind of negative thoughts in your head, if you have, you will not be able to go any further. Like even if you try to learn new vocabulary or perfect your accent or anything you try to do, you will not succeed, because in your head you will be like, I cannot do this, I have to stop this. So that kind of negative attitude will affect you. So practicing positive self-talking is it's a prime thing that you have to keep in your mind while learning a language, especially English, and especially for those who are having this English as their second language. And also be happy in small success, like learning new vocabulary or learning a new grammar rule. Be happy and have a positive attitude while learning this English language. The second strategy that you can use is that aim for progress, not for perfection. Guys, aiming for perfectionism can often lead to frustration, stress, because even if we are making a small trivial mistake, we will be frustrated. Like you want that much perfection to your conversations and all. If you are aiming for perfection, the thing is that even if you make a small trivial mistake, you will be so frustrated, like, oh my gosh, I made a huge mistake. Even if it's a small one, I made a huge mistake, I gotta stop here. Don't do that. And also celebrate small successes. Like as I told you, if you had learned a new vocabulary, celebrate that. Rather than aiming for perfection, it's good to aim for progress, because aiming for progress, when you are progressing day by day, bit by bit, little by little, when you take up that courage to speak in English, and one day before you know it, you will get that perfection, guys. So rather than aiming for perfection or perfectionism, aim for progress. That will help you a lot to learn this English language. So guys, we discussed the first and second strategy. Now it's time for us to discuss the last one, and that is be ready to take small steps out of your comfort zone. Because this is very important while learning a language, because when you're ready to take small risks or small steps out of your comfort zone, that means that you are gradually developing or building that kind of confidence to speak English in front of everyone. As I already told you, don't squander any opportunity that you're getting. Just step out of your comfort zone and start speaking. Nobody is going to judge you that your accent is not okay, your grammar is not okay, your language is not perfect. Nobody is going to judge you. So step out of your comfort zone, show them that you can also speak in English if you want to. And when you're ready to take small steps out of your comfort zone, then only you will know how much you can accomplish. So be ready to show that guts, show that nerves to take small steps out of your comfort zone. Guys, these are the 3 strategies that you can use in your daily life to conquer that kind of fear of speaking in English. And also keep this in mind. Growth happens when you are ready to take the next step, even when you feel uncomfortable with that. And always have a positive attitude and aim for progress, not for perfection, and show that guts to take small steps out of your comfort zone. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all liked my video. So please do click that subscribe button and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to click the like button too. So we can see in the next video. Till then, bye bye.